Hey everyone, want to manage your Luma AI account? In this video, I'll show you how to update, organize, and control your Luma AI account settings step by step. First, open the Luma AI website and sign in to your account. Next, open your account menu or profile settings to access your account options. Now review your profile information and update any details if needed. Next, check your account settings, subscription options, and available features. Managing these settings helps you get the most out of Luma AI. Review your saved projects and organize your generated videos so they are easier to find. You can also manage your prompts, downloads, and important creations by keeping your files organized. Next, check your privacy and security settings to make sure your account information is protected. Finally, log out safely when using a shared device and keep your account details secure. And that's how to manage your Luma AI account. By keeping your settings, projects, and account information organized, you can create and manage AI videos more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.